If you've got some important files on your SD or micro SD card and you want to transfer those photos or videos from there to your Mac Mini M4, well, let me show you the right way to properly mount and connect any SD card to your Mac Mini M4. Alright, so since Mac Mini M4 only have the Type-C port, you just need a card reader with a Type-C main port. Now, it could be a single or multi-card reader, doesn't matter. Now, if your card reader's got an USB-A port, you just need a Type-C converter. Just connect them together, and then what you're going to do is just insert the card into the card reader, and then plug in the converter to the port of your Mac Mini M4. As soon as you do that, it'll show up as an external storage on your home screen. You can access it from there. You can also find it if you open up Finder, and under location, it will also show up. You can then copy its contents or paste it to any location you want. And similarly, you can copy any content and, paste anything to your SD card or micro SD card for the matter. Now, when you're done, to safely unmount it, you can go to the same section in Finder and then click on this Eject icon, or just go ahead, right click on your external device, and from here you can eject it. That's it for this today. Thanks for watching.